Hello, welcome to this particular video. It's your paddy Oliver Alphabike. So I'm glad that you click on the play button of this video to watch it. You understand me? So actually, I wanted to use this particular video to tell you who am I. My name is Oliver Alphabike. I'm an online marketer. I have been in this particular online space for a couple of years now. You understand me? I started on this particular online 2012. You understand me? But before 2012, I have actually attended a seminar on how to make money, specifically for Fiverr. You understand me? What I believe that is once or more than you understand me? So, but now on 2012, I was opportune to actually to kickstart this particular space full. You understand, as in complete. You understand me? So now I wanted to use this particular few seconds actually to share some of my experience and tell you who am I. You understand? Because actually, before I started on online, I was a phone repairer, specifically flashing and unlocking phone. You understand me? For people there. You understand me? And they like me wherever I join or whatever I join, I will always like to be the one of the best on that particular stuff. You understand me? So that time when I was unlocking and flashing phone, I tried myself to be one of the best. Was the best when it comes to our area on that particular work of unlocking and flashing phones for people. You understand me? So, and the thing was working at a particular time. You understand me? It was going well, but the only thing is that I couldn't get to my income goal. You understand me? With that particular type of business at that particular time. You understand me? Now, at a particular time, the thing ceased to be working. You understand me? At least for me, it seems as if to say that everything quenched. You understand me? Now life seems somehow miserable for me at that particular time. The reason why I'm trying to tell you this thing now is because I don't know your situation currently. Maybe you're a billionaire or maybe you are struggling or something like that. But one thing I wanted to tell you for sure, that there was a time in my life that I do not have equivalent of $5 to do a common transaction. You understand me? So what happened actually at that moment is that I was in this particular one of the social club where at the end of the year we share bags of rice. You understand me? So each person will collect one bag of rice. You understand me? So at that particular year, I got my own share of bag of rice. So I wanted to send it to the number one woman in my life, being my mom. You understand me? That is whom I wanted to send the rice. But the only equivalent of $5 then, I don't have it to, as in the money I have to use to actually for the tea fare, for the well bill, to transfer that rice to where my mom lives. She understand me? So I didn't have the money then, and I didn't know about you. I didn't know how you are, as in which condition you are now. But it had been, I have experienced this particular thing in my life. I didn't know. Just think about it. You got the rice from your social club members, that everybody got their own rice, and the only equivalent of $5 to send it to, just put it in a vehicle in the transportation, so that they could send it to where your mom is. The money was not there. Do you understand me? So at a particular time in life, things become hard to the extent that I came to ask myself, Oliver, will you continue living your life this way? You understand me? So hopefully, and that is the best question I have ever asked myself in my life. So the answer I got then is absolutely, capitally no. You understand me? Now I can't continue my life on that particular area. So when I got this particular answer within myself, I just tell myself that the next thing is how to change it. You understand me? And because my business was not working, that was not going as I intended to be going. You understand me? Life become miserable. You understand me? So it seems as if to say that the world, I don't know whether if you have come to the level that the only option you are seeing when you come to this life is death. You understand me? In other words, it seems as if to say that you just hated yourself. You understand me? So at a particular time in life, I got to this particular junction. That the only option in my life then is, why am I existing? You understand me? But thank God that actually some right questions came into my mind. So now when that right question came into my mind, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know how to start. And I was fortunate enough to, one of the day I just opened my mail and I got this particular, my mentor, his email. You understand me? My email. You understand me? I click on it and join his opportunity. You understand me? Now, when I because I not because before I actually join his actual community, I see these other people that are making money online. She understand me. So when I see this particular email, I joined to started be making money online. She understand me. But one thing lead to another. She understand me. And what happened is actually I didn't know anything about marketing then. You understand me? I didn't know anything about marketing. So I was failing. Whatever I'm doing, I was failing. And I was complaining upon it. You understand me? So because I wanted to be like them, but I couldn't do it. They were there as in, I see those other people that are online driving the costliest car, as in living in the mansions as in where they want to be. But I couldn't get to that particular level. And it seems as if to say that the life, as in the frustration started afresh or maybe improved. You understand me? So now at the time I begin to pay close attention to this particular guy, because this guy, my mentor, then I found myself this particular mentor when I saw his email on my destiny. So I joined his group, paid for his product. I have to actually borrow, I think, equivalent of $5,000 there or $2,000 then. She understand me? Now I have to borrow, I have to empty my account, the remaining one, borrow some people or some of my friends' money to be able to actually enroll myself on this particular program of my mentor. And I was able to pay for some other tools that I needed to be using on business, on online business. But this thing didn't work for me at the initial time. So at a particular time I was like, should I go back to unlocking and flashing where I do get some money, because all the other one I invested on online, I didn't even make a penny. So understand me? Or should I continue pursue my dream? So it came to this particular junction that I didn't know what else to do. So understand me? So at this time I just decided that I have to pursue my dream, that I have to do it or I will die trying. You understand? So this is the decision I have within myself then. You understand me? And there is no other news, there's no other thing you can do to convince me then to get out from online, in as much that I'm not seeing the results yet. You understand me? So maybe when I reach to that particular decision that I'm going to pursue my dream, before you know it, I started paying close attention to that guy too, because one of the obstacles I have then is that the guy is speaking oral English. So by then I didn't hear oral English well. So what I did is I just bought myself a phone, an E7, Nokia E7, you understand me? Copy all the video of that guy, put on that phone. So wherever I'm going, as far as that I'm not busy doing anything, you understand, I'll just put my earphone in my ears and connect it to the phone, and I'll be watching this guy. And to me then, all he's talking is sounding like music, because actually it sounded like music to me, because actually he's speaking oral English. I couldn't even hear him well. I didn't know your challenges. But one thing I do is actually I continue to listen to it every blessed time I have chance, every blessed day. If I'm going on bus, if I'm in vehicle, I'll put this thing on, be watching this training one by one, step by step. You understand me? So at the time I begin to hear him. In other words, I started understanding what he's saying, the languages. You understand me? But the another obstacle that I have is actually I couldn't understand all the terms he's using. Like when he talk about traffic, to me, then in offline world, traffic is like go slow. But on the online world, traffic is customers, the visitors to your website. So when he mentioned traffic, I don't even know what actually he's talking about. So I have to join one forum then called Black Hat World. You understand me? And Black Hat World, I just ask questions on related what I needed to know, what is traffic and what is other thing. Man, one guy wanted nearly killed my morale then. He didn't know what the first answer I received. Actually, luckily to me, I didn't visit that particular my post till the second person actually replied on it. But when I visited that particular post, the first answer were like, if you don't know all these things, then what are you doing online? I didn't know whether if you receive this particular answer to when you needed to know some certain things. To me, it nearly discouraged me to continue online. So understand me? But luckily to me, there is another reply to it. So the guy that replied the second one was attacking the first one. He said, you remember that nobody actually knows all these things in the beginning. You understand me? That if this guy asked this question, you should have answered him. So he begin to actually explain to me what those things mean. You understand me? So actually I have to when I know or some terms, online terms, then I put myself to work. So understand me, and I started doing what my mentor was teaching. So understand me. In other words, I was coachable to the extent that if my mentor will say, "Come to the rain, why is raining?" and stand with your one of your leg and be singing chorus. So understand me. I will not even ask question to get it done. So understand me. That is how coachable I was then. So understand me. So luckily to me, everything worked. Everything worked for me. You understand me? Not that way. It seems as if that the door started being open when I started understanding actually what marketing is. So what I found out from this time that I invested in trying to get this to understand is actually that there are 3 areas that people focus, especially when it comes to business, when it comes to making money, whether it's online or offline. So people focus on 3 areas. You understand me? So it seems as so number 1 is what I call nothingness. In other words, focusing on nothing. You think that you focus, and whatever you focus on, according to one of the universal law, expand. Do you understand me? So many of us focus on nothingness. That currency, that paper, they just want to make money without doing anything. Do you understand me? I wonder how you can do it, because money is a byproduct of or certain things you done in a certain way. So when you did not do anything, how can it come? So there are a lot of us that we are even disturbing God to give us money, but we are not actually doing what God will come and bless. So understand me? And for us to get that particular money, if there is, so understand me? But it's always there is. So understand me? So now, a lot of us focus on nothingness. We just want to get the money, but we didn't want to work. So understand? So about 80%. So it seems as if to say that the other 2 people, the other 2 group, actually some focus on strategy and some focus on psychology. So for me, I have to talk about on the 2. So nothingness, I will not even encourage you to focus on making money without nothing. You understand me? Because it doesn't work like that, especially when you are trying to make it genuinely. You understand me? So I have to take the 2 remaining one, which is psychology and strategy. You understand me? So what happened on psychology and strategy is that there is a wrong flip of the tap. You understand me? In other words, the tap was flipped to the wrong side. You understand me? The understanding of how to make money was very wrong. You understand me? As I'm seeing it at the time I'm recording this particular video, but before I was among the people that actually focus on the wrong way, in the wrong places. You understand me? So now, number 1 thing I want to tell you is actually making money, whether online or offline, is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. You understand me? 80% psychology and strategy, 80% of psychology and the 20% of strategy. In other words, when you come to making money, what you know, what is in your belief system, your mindset, your character, and your habit, that is what counts more than what people will see externally. You understand me? I didn't know how this thing work, but it worked right away. You understand me? In other words, if you are selling something to somebody and your reason of doing is just to get the money from that person will have there is a connection between you and that person will feel it, and that person might not buy it. But if you are selling something to somebody and actually your reason of selling it is for how that, as in the benefit of that thing you are selling to that person. So in other words, what he will benefit from that thing you are selling to him or to her, there is a connection, and he will feel what is going on in your mind. You understand me? I didn't know how it happened. You understand me? But once he feels that you are a helper to him, now he certainly will buy that particular thing. You understand me? So now, since I found out from my mentors and from the other experiments, you understand me, that actually there is a wrong flip of the tap. In other words, higher percentage of people, 80% of people focus on strategy. Why is only 20% focus on psychology? Why that is the wrong flip of the tap? Why the right flip of the tap should be that 80% of all of them, everybody should give 80% concentration on psychology and only 20% concentration focus on strategy, because once what is going on here is correct, your strategy will be correct. You understand? So this particular domain you are watching this particular video, it just been I just created it actually to use it as one of the medium, to understand me, to know whether if you can help to actually change the tap the flip of the tab to the right place. So understand me? So that actually people will understand will understand how to be making money, especially when it comes to online. So understand me? Because once you get this particular tab flip to the right place, believe me, the money will come more than you expected. I am a living witness. So understand me? So I have to tell you that it's working like that. So understand me? So without wasting your time, what I will encourage you is actually look up wherever it is at this particular domain you are watching this particular video. Look up to that particular place and click on the registration button and get yourself registered. It is free to become a member. Then if you could become a member, yes, it is 100% free. And once you become a member, there are some other sections that you might buy. Yes, I have to tell you the truth. But that free membership alone can help you to actually start knowing what you're supposed to know when it comes to making money online. So understand? So I encourage you to actually register and become a member. Again, when you become, then you will get this particular training. So understand me? You will continue on it, and I will be showing you step by step what has been working for me, so that hopefully you can apply it and it will work for you. And it's also working for other people, my mentors and other people that actually have been applying for it. So understand me? Because one thing I have to tell you last, number one, is that destiny is not a matter of chance. Destiny is a matter of choice. So understand me? So if you wanted to be rich today, just get to do what you needed to do in a step you needed to do it, and the money will come. Because actually money doesn't hear, but when you call it, it comes. You understand me? And for you to call it is to do certain things in a certain way, genuinely, and you make the money. You understand? So I'm glad that I have that mind to show you actually step by step what you need to do. The only thing you need to do now is just look for where to sign up and get yourself registered. It's very simple stuff, and become a member of this particular community. You understand me? So we'll get everything going. Again, I will see you when you join up, and we'll talk about how to help you to actually know how to be making money, and eventually, hopefully, you started making money. I will see you when you come inside. Thank you. Bye.